About this item: fit for ladder rack for truck. Fits for most full-size pickup trucks, such as 2014 to 2022 Chevrolet Colorado, 2007 to 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, 2500, 3500, 2007 to 2022 Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, 3500. 2004 to 2022 Ford F-150, F-250, F-350, 2004 to 2022 Ford Ranger, 2014 to 2022 GMC Canyon. Etc. Except truck with toolboxes, side boxes, camper shell, tonneau cover, irregular rear compartment. T.I.G welding. Unique welding design is more safe and reliable. Hold capacity is 600 lbs, 800 lbs, super strength bearing. Bed rack is made of ultra lightweight extruded solid material, combination of electrophoretic black primer and black powder top coat, rust proof, anti-corrosion and durable. T-slot system. Unique channels provide extra space for installing traveling accessories via screws, such as kayak, rooftop tent, Revo traction board, etc. Moreover, the rubber cover on the edge of the rack can be used to bind items through holes as tie rope fixing point. Adjustable size. The height of the truck bed ladder rack ranges from 17.3/4-27.1/2, and the width ranges from 41.3/4-52.1/2. Custom settings can be created for maximum practicality and versatility and meeting different needs. Quality upgrade. After listening to our customers' suggestions,